Hello everyone, welcome back to Cosine Branch with Riddhi. Today we are diving deep into the powerful tool in trigonometry, the cosine rule. This concept is extremely useful when dealing with triangles that are not right angled. By the end of this video, you will learn when to use the cosine rule. I'm going to discuss how to find the missing sides of a triangle when you know two sides and the angle between them, and find the missing angles when you know all the three sides of triangle. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. What is cosine rule? The cosine rule relates the length of the sides of a triangle to the sine of one of its angle. What that means is, let's suppose this is a triangle ABC, in that this is small a is the opposite side to the angle A. Similarly, this is small c and this one is a small b, just opposite to the angle B. Suppose we need to find out the side C. Okay, so what you have to do, so the formula we can write like this: c square is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab dot means the multiplication cos c, that is the angle one. This is the angle and this one is the side. Okay, so this formula can be rearranged to find either a missing sides or a missing angle. For example, suppose you want to find out the b. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll write the b square as a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b. Okay, like that. Okay, similarly we can do for the a square as well. Okay, so this is the angles. Okay, and these are the sides. Okay, so the first question arises, when to use the cosine rule. So there is a two-way we can use the cosine rule: when you have two sides and included angle, for example SAS. Okay, and when you know all the sides, SSS. Okay, except all other things, for example ASA and AAS, is best to use the sine rule. If you don't have seen the previous videos, just check it out for the sine rule. So this is one of the case of SAS. Let's see how this is SAS. Here you can see in this triangle the A is 5 centimeter. Okay, let's suppose the B is 7 centimeter. Okay, angle C is given for us 60 degree and we have to find out the side C. So we can apply c square equals, okay, how to write this? A square, okay, plus b square and multiplication of this 2ab and what? Cos c. This c is angle here, right? Now let's put this value. A is 5 square, this is 7 square, minus 2 times 5 times 7 cos 60 degree, right? So 5 squared is 25, 7 squared is 49, minus 70. Cos 60 is half, it's a special angle, you can remember that. And this will be 35 here, right? So 25 plus 49 minus of 35, right? So we get the answer as 39. This is c squared. And you can find c under root 39. You can find out the square root. This is approximate to 6.24. So this much centimeter can be the answer. Okay, so this is our second question, in that the A is given 4 centimeter, B is given 4 root 2 centimeter and C is given 4 centimeter. So we have to find out the angle. See, this is a special case, we can find out easily. We know that the C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. This is the angle, we have to find it. Okay, what we can do, just make this thing in the LHS. So 2AB cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus of C square. We can transfer 2AB in the denominator. So cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus of C square divided with 2AB, right? Let's put all this value. So A square, A is what? 4. So it will be 4 square plus, what is B? 4 root 2. So put the 4 root 2 whole square minus of c. C is given you 4. So it is 4 square. Divide with 2a is 4 times of b is 4 root 2. Correct? This is cos c. I just took an example for the special angle. Later on we can do some complicated question as well. So from here 4 square minus 4 square will cancel out. This is 4 root 2 times of 4 root 2. Divide with 2 times 4 root 2. What we can do? From here we can cancel the 4 root 2. Now what is remaining? 4 root 2 divide with this 2 we can write as a root 2 times root 2, right? And times of 4. So 4 root 2 cancel. Remaining is 1 over root 2 and the cos c. Now you can compare the 1 root 2 value is for the cos 45 degree, right? So we can say the angle C is 45 degree. Like that we can find. Even we can find for some other using the calculator. And that's it for today's session on cosine rule. We explored the cosine rule, how to apply in SAS and SSS case, and how it making solving triangles so much easier. I hope you found the explanation clear and helpful. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into solving problems with calculator and tackle some more complex questions related to cosine rule. So make sure to stay tuned for that. If you have any question or specific problems I would like me to solve, don't forget to drop them in the comments below. And please share, like, share and subscribe to Concept Brunch with Riddhi and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next part of this series. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I will see you in next video. Until then, take care and happy learning. Bye bye.